Hey guys, today let's learn how to view the locked chats in WhatsApp. So in the case that you have locked a specific chat on the WhatsApp application and then you are having troubles with viewing these chats or locating where it is, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we want to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And once we're already here, as you see by default, there is no trace of where the locked chat are. And what we want to do in order for us to view and locate where that is to just scroll from the top to the bottom until we see the locked chats tab appear over here on the top of the archive tab. So as you see, once we scroll, we're going to see the locked chats over here. It's that easy, guys, and all we need to do to view them is to tap on that, allow the Face ID to scan our face, and now we could see all of the locked chats that we have locked before. Now that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.